Are you fine? I think so. Today we are going to discuss our social study chapter, globes and maps. We see the earth is a planet. The earth is a planet where we all live. First, people believe about the earth. The earth was flat. But in course of time, view was changed when Ferdinand Magellan completed his voyages in 1522. We see the globe. When we are looking at the globe, the question arises, what is globe? What is globe? What is globe? The answer is there. The globe is small model of our earth. And globe is spherical. It shows the accurate position of the continent and the oceans. But only we can see half of the earth at a time on the globe. There are two ends on which the globe rotates. The two ends are there, the North Pole and the South Pole. Top North Pole and the bottom, the top is North Pole and the bottom is the South Pole. Globe gives us the idea about the whole earth, how it looks like. But the globe, it has some limitations. What is its limitation? You can see that. The globe are not big enough where we can see properly all the continent and the oceans and the picture. And next limitation is there. The globes are not easy to carry one place to another place. Now we are going to see the maps. If we are discussing about the maps, what is map? A map is a drawing on a flat surface. And maps are different types. In different types we can say map. Different types means the physical maps, political maps and thematical maps. In physical map, there are mountains, plains, rivers, desert, etc. And next is the political map. Political map means the political boundary. Actually we can say the political boundary between the countries, between the states, between the district, etc. And third one is the thematical maps. In the thematical map, they reflect a particular then about geographical area, climates, types of soil, rainfall, roads, etc. These are the different types of maps. Now we came on direction. So on any maps always indicate the north. If we know the north, we can easily find out another directions. Now scale is there. Scale is used to show the distance between the place on the map. Now our last one is the colors. Colors and symbols. Colors and symbols. In colors of symbol, we see there are the different types of colors and different types of symbols are there. Green color is for plains and lowlands, and brown color is for mountain and highlands. Brown is for mountains and highlands, and yellow is for desert. Yellow is for desert and blue is for water bodies. These are the colors. Now we can see the advantages of the maps. We are getting some advances in map which we are not getting on globes. The advantages of maps are small and handy. Map is a small and handy. This means it is very small and we can carry here and there easily in the hand. And other is there, we can fold it and carry it easily. On the map, we show small areas in details. Show small areas in details. These are the advantages of the map. Map we can carry anywhere, which things we cannot do in globes. And today we see this was discussion on maps and the globes. And today is this one enough. Have a good day. Be happy and enjoy. Thank you.